Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Webull desktop for beginners. Webull is a popular online trading platform that offers a range of tools and features for investors. To get started, first download and install the Webull desktop application from the official website. Once installed, launch the application and log in to your Webull account. If you do not have an account, you can create one directly from the application. After logging in, you will be presented with the main dashboard, which provides an overview of your account balance, portfolio, and market data. The top navigation bar allows you to access various features, including market data, trading, and account management. The market data section provides real-time quotes, charts, and news for stocks, options, and other financial instruments. You can customize the layout and add or remove widgets to suit your needs. To place a trade, click on the Trading tab and select the type of trade you want to make, such as a market order or limit order. Enter the symbol of the stock or option you want to trade, and then specify the quantity and price. You can also set stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk. The account management section allows you to view your account balance, transaction history, and portfolio holdings. You can also deposit or withdraw funds and update your account settings. Webull also offers a range of analytical tools, including technical indicators and charts, to help you make informed investment decisions. To get the most out of Webull desktop, it is essential to customize the platform to suit your needs. You can do this by adding or removing widgets, customizing the layout, and setting up alerts and notifications. Webull also offers a range of educational resources, including tutorials and webinars, to help you improve your trading skills. In conclusion, Webull Desktop is a powerful trading platform that offers a range of tools and features for investors. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can quickly get started with using Webull Desktop and start trading with confidence. Remember to always use proper risk management techniques and to educate yourself on the markets and trading strategies to achieve long-term success.